guys, so today I'm doing a group collaboration. So one of the YouTube groups that I'm in, they are doing this collaboration, and this was actually all put together by one person, and I'll have her information listed at the top of the description box, and then the other participation people, and then from there I will include what I use in this video. So I'll include links or at least I'll try. So the challenge is to use highlighter as eyeshadow. So I am kind of cheating, so I went through the highlighters that I had immediately on hand and not upstairs, and honestly I felt like I wanted to use this, which is the blush lighter. I use it as highlighter, but it says it's a blush palette, blush lighter, so it's supposed to be both. So that's why I'm kind of saying that I'm kind of cheating, because I mean, it's a blush and a highlighter palette, but the colors are just super gorgeous and really what I'm into right now. So while I would like to crack out like Deep Freeze and the black Jeffree Star, black graphite or something, I don't remember. As much as I like to crack those out and do this with, or maybe even mint condition, I don't know, I feel like this would be more into what I've been into lately, so that's why I'm going with that. So let's get started. So that's pretty much the only rule that I know, is that it has to be a highlighter. So since this is both blush and a highlighter, I feel like it meets the requirements. I am starting with Lorax eyeshadow primer. Honestly, it's the only primer that works for me that I've found so far. I tried the Urban Decay and it just did not do well with my skin. And nothing stayed put, so we're just not gonna do that. My lips are extremely dry, so I'm gonna throw on some pumpkin pie chapstick so that I stop feeling like my lips are gonna fall off. So we are going to start, and I'm gonna take a Japanesque 725, which is a small blending brush, and I'm going to go into the Stop and Smell the Rosé, this dark color down here. I just realized I don't even have a mirror. Wait, I have this on hand. Alright, we're going to use the mirror on this because I forgot to bring one. And I've used this palette so little, it still had the sticker on it. So we are going to go up in here. And while these are blush lighters, they're not like super blinding, so really they just kind of look like shimmery eyeshadows. So making this challenge wearable, I feel, anyway. I'm definitely going to go with something more blinding in the inner corner, where we're going to try, because I don't know, I never have any luck with inner corner. But I have a different brush we're going to try today. Alright, I feel like that's not even. I need to bring it up right here. Not only are my eyes super hooded, they're not exactly the same. So this is not always the easiest thing to do, but I'm getting better at it. Just through that brush. The next brush I'm going to go in with is the Real Techniques Shadow like paddle brush, because I feel like this is really going to pack on the color. And I'm going to use this 24-hour Champagne Diet, which is actually the color that made me decide on this palette, because I really like this color. And similar colors to this is eyeshadow. So, and we're going to just pack that on the lid. And that one's got more of a to it. Blinding look, which is more acceptable since I use the less shimmer in the crease and I'm using the more shimmery on the lid like you normally would with like a matte versus a shimmer. So I'm trying to not break all the rolls. Oh, I got some under my eye. That's pretty normal for me. One, it's kind of how the brush is made that causes that to happen, but I feel like this is more precise than using your finger. Definitely a brush I would do your eyeshadow before your makeup. These colors blend together so well that I don't really have to do much work there. Okay, so that is that. I did have some makeup wipes out here, but I put them away, but that's okay. We have setting spray and a makeup eraser to the rescue. Guess I shouldn't put the mirror away, should I? Okay, so now that that's fixed, that is the Tarte Stay Spray Double Duty Beauty spray that I used, and then just a makeup eraser. Oh, my lashes are bothering me a little bit though. I do have to admit that kind of burned my eyes. So we're gonna try this NARS brush that I got. It's the 49. Looks like this. I've never used it. I feel like it might be good for packing on in the inner corner. It might not be. But we're going to try it. And we're going to use the Nikki Tutorials Master Chrome and Maybelline collaboration as the inner corner. Honestly, this might be way too big. Yeah, this is way too big for my tiny little inner corner. So I'm gonna go with, I grabbed the brush, didn't even know it. Sigma Shader Inner Corner. I found this at TJ Maxx. So I got this because I got tired of not really being able to do inner corners. And it doesn't help that I have those stupid little spots on my eyes. I have a skin tag on one and probably milia on the other one. They never change, they never go away. They just grew there one day. Okay, well, I feel like that's as good as it gets. That's my inner corner highlight. And guess next we're going to go to eyeliner. So I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner. I have it in a mini. I absolutely love this stuff, but I think mine is finally starting to die. And I need a new one. Oh my god, I hate this part. My eyes want to water. it is terrible. I just want to pour. Anytime my lashes get messed with, they want to pour all over the place. Oh, I blinked and almost messed up my line. Alright, other eye. Let's see what we can do. I feel like it's got something hanging out on the tip. There it goes. Doesn't help all these stupid wrinkles. Gets on my nerves. See, that one's higher. I'm not making the match because then we'll be here all day and I'll have black eyeliner everywhere because trying to make both of my eyes match is pretty impossible. Need to be happy with Swiss sisters, not twins. But that's something that's taken me a while to get used to. Next we're going in with Damn Girl by Tarte. I'm sorry, Too Faced. Ooh, they hate each other. I got this in an Ipsy bag, and I don't mind it, actually. I feel like it's really easy to get all of my lashes. Although I hate when I touch my eyelid with it. But I do that with every mascara. Mostly I look for definition in a mascara. I don't really need length or fake lashes. Like falsy effects. I don't need that. I need color. Because my lashes are naturally pretty long. But they are very light, so you can't see them. So that's kind of why I just like a good old black mascara. I feel like I have something in my eye. I'm going back in with the Nikki Tutorials. Brush is shedding. Nikki Tutorials highlighter. This time I'm actually highlighting. I'm not using a mirror for this because, well, I feel like the camera's good enough. Speaking of cameras, I am upgrading cameras, and I will be filming with a camera soon instead of my phone, at least for most videos, except for like when I'm in the car or vlogging. Yeah, I got the Canon T5i with the cool flip out screen, and it's a touch screen, and I can use the external microphone that I already own and have had for like a year that I couldn't use with my Olympus pen. I had the very first model of pen that ever came out, and it did not support an external microphone or a monitor. The screen didn't flip out. It's just a lot of things it didn't do that I've gotten to where I need them. I'm going in with NARS Orgasm. I'm gonna just throw it on my highlighter brush because I don't have another brush that would work this second. So I'm kind of depositing more highlight at the same time. And honestly, my eyes are so blurry right now I can't see if this looks good or not. But we're gonna go with it. My astigmatism has gotten worse, and I've pretty much been told to wear my glasses all the time now. So you'll probably start seeing them more. I got a cat in front of me. That's the completed eye look. And to top it off, I'm going to slap on, I can't read it. I think it's Peach Tea. Yeah, it's Peach Tea. Oh my god, that messed with my eyes. I'm going to be putting on Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Peach Tea. lip gloss on. Stuff smells so good. Smells like cake. So yeah. This is my completed look using the Beauty Bakery Blush Lighter palette as eyeshadow. And once again, I'll have everybody's information linked down below. Please like and subscribe and check out my other content. Thanks for watching. Bye.